going on, everyone? Hope you're all well. I just wanted to go over Bitcoin for you today, just sort of break down the market structure and sort of go over the current price action that we can see. So I'm just going to start from this part onwards here. This is on the daily time frame, as you can see up here. Now, for me, I don't really particularly use trend lines, but a lot of people do tend to use them. I like to look at major levels within the market, high highs, and then this your lower lows, lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low. So what I wanted to just look at today is this sort of structure that we've got going on here now. So I'm gonna start from this part onwards. So this basically was our lower high before we created this lower low. I'm going to mark off this level. Please bear with me. I am a little bit ill. Got a bit of a cold going on. If I sound a little bit muffled. But yeah. So if we look at this lower low, and then lower high, and then we create this lower low, and then you can see that we had this strong momentum coming into the market here. So this daily candle, you can see a lot of volume within that. And what's happened is we've pushed into this level here, which is this lower high. And you can see that we've failed there 3 times, and then we've sort of pulled back, and we've pushed into it again. We had this strong bearish momentum coming in. When we're taking out these levels here, these levels of support, and then you can see after that, we've continued to push down, and then we've bounced off this level. So what I'm interested in here now is this, to me, is a double bottom on the daily time frame. No doubt about it. This is a double bottom. You can see that, yesterday we had this strong volume coming back into the market after this consolidation that we had here for 7 days, 8 days. So we've had this volume coming back into the market. Now, what I'm looking for to look for any long positions is I'd like to see a break and close above this level here. Preferably, I'll leave that there. But what I would like to see is I'd like to see a break and close above this level here. Simply because this is the highest candle close, like the body close. I'm not taking into consideration the wicks, just the bodies of the candle. Now, if we start to see something like this, we have a strong candle pushing, breaking and closing above these levels, then I will be looking for my long opportunities, simply because then we're taking out major structural levels within the market. And when you start taking out these, like in this example, this lower high, your directional bias of the market is changing then, because the sentiment is changing. Once you start taking out these levels, it shows that the buyers are stepping into the market and they're in control. And especially when you're seeing things like, double bottoms with a strong volume coming in here. And it's just interesting because a lot of people are bearish. We have been bearish, and we still technically are bearish until we take out these levels. But from just what I can see in this current market structure, I'm sort of feeling like there is potential for us to go up. Now, it is hard to say with everything going on in the world at the minute, Ukraine and stuff. But I'm not here to talk about fundamentals. I'm here to talk about the technicals behind the markets that we're looking at. So I mean, this is sort of we're sort of ranging. We're in a big range here. Obviously you got the structure in between. If you break it down on the 4-hour time frame, you see things a little bit differently. You got more data going on. But I don't really need to get into that today. I'm going to get into a bit more in-depth stuff in other videos, and I am going to actually do potentially today another video basically breaking down how I would enter trades, my thoughts, and like my process behind how I'd get my entries, sort of for day trading rather than just long positions. When I say long positions, I mean just buying and just holding for a couple of years. Me personally, I like to change things up a bit. I like to do a little bit of both, keep it interesting, but all just personal opinion. Of course, there's a bit more risk when you're leveraging trades. But for me, it's definitely worth it. So yeah, what I'm looking for, as I just said, is a break and close above these levels. I'm gonna keep you updated, see like, you know, basically just to let you know what I'm thinking and like my thought process each day. I'm going to be doing different videos for a lot of different altcoins. I'm going to do one for XRP, XDC. It's quite a lot of cryptos that I'm into. I'm going to start doing videos for. If you have actually got any altcoins that you would like me to do some technical analysis on and break down the market structure, just leave a comment in the comment section. I will try and rattle through as many as I can. Also, if you look on Twitter, you know, I do post a bit of stuff on there, breaking down like my thoughts, and you know, I do a little bit of analysis on there. My Twitter is JakeCHD97. I'm called JC Crypto on there. But yeah, just interested to see. Like I say, if we get this break and close above it, I'll sort of be looking for the retest of this structure, and then I'll be looking for my patterns, you know, my double bottoms, my lower highs, and then looking for my long opportunities. And you know, you've got these levels here. You know, this is sort of your next major level here, 50,000. You know, going into the 51,000 sort of region. You know, you have got sort of these levels in between. And like here, but you know, I like to just look at the major structures within the market. So yeah, pretty interesting times for Bitcoin. You know, we could bounce off this level here, and then we could push all the way back down. Then we could start taking out these sort of structures, and then we could start heading down to these levels. But at the minute, I'm feeling quite optimistic. You know, the patterns, everything going on, and the volume within the market, you know, it's looking promising. Not financial advice, just my thoughts and opinions. But yeah, I'm going to keep you up to date each day, do a different video. Definitely going to do a video each day for Bitcoin, as we know it's like the leader of this market at the minute. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you, bye bye.